Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on Do Not Disturb with a timer on or off on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then we swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, you want to go down and tap on notifications. And then in here, go down and tap on Do Not Disturb. Next, what you want to do is tap on the for how long. By default, it's set to 1 hour. Now you could choose until I turn it off. You can set the hours, so you can tap on the minus or the plus buttons. It will increment or decrement by an hour each time you tap on it. And then you can also choose ask every time. Now once you're happy with the settings, tap on OK. Next, once you have set the for how long, you can then tap on Do Not Disturb to turn it on. And if we swipe down at the top, and if you look in the status bar, it shows that Do Not Disturb turn on until 6:51 p.m. After that time, it will automatically turn off and your phone will resume back to your normal operation mode. And that's it. So that's how you can turn on Do Not Disturb with a timer so that it will automatically turn off by itself. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.